This revolutionary intelligent Neato robotic vacuum is here to make your life easier. The Neato XV11 meticulously cleans all of your floors methodically, automatically. By using its laser to see, the XV11 creates and continuously updates a map of everything. The robot cleans in a straight line path and doesn't bump into obstacles or fall off of stairs. Rather, the Neato robot sees them and vacuums around them. The Neato vacuum is both agile and powerful, working on all floor types just like your upright vacuum. It's the most powerful robotic vacuum today. Simply press the start button to begin cleaning. When your vacuum is done cleaning, it knows how to find its way home to the charging base. You can schedule Neato to automatically clean on a daily, weekly, or user-defined basis. Your home will be that much cleaner every day. Clean any type of floor, anytime, with Neato. It's that simple. Neato Robotics is bringing advanced robotics intelligence home to everyone. The XV11 incorporates Neato's proprietary RPS, or Room Positioning System technology. The robot first uses its laser to scan the room, finding doorways and objects in the room. It then determines the most efficient cleaning path, always starting with the perimeter of the room. It then cleans the interior area by vacuuming in straight lines, just as you do. Because of its intelligent cleaning path and knowledge of the room, the robot cleans faster and cleans the entire area without missing a spot. Best of all, the XV11 does not bump into furniture or objects. It simply vacuums around them. It cleans one room at a time, detecting doorways. When it's finished cleaning an entire room, it moves on to the next. At the XV11's core is a centrifugal impeller that follows jet engine airflow principles to create high-powered suction. It has the most powerful vacuum suction of any robotic vacuum today, and it can remove all sorts of dirt and debris, including pet hair, from carpets and hard floor surfaces. With your upright, you may inadvertently speed over flooring, but the XV11 uses its optimized speed to maximize its cleaning effectiveness. The rectangular front of the XV11 allows vacuuming close to walls and into corners. Its low profile allows cleaning under furniture, beds, and toe kicks without getting stuck. By placing boundary markers in a room, the XV11 knows exactly where the keep-out areas are. When the XV11 has finished vacuuming, the easy-to-clean dirt bin is a cinch to empty. Remove the dirt bin, remove the filter door, and empty. Snap the dirt bin back into the top of the vacuum and you're done. It's that simple. Plus, the XV11's intuitive user interface allows you to get going right away with the press of the start button. You can also schedule daily, weekly, and user-defined cleaning times with ease. Your house will be that much cleaner every day. The Neato XV11 All-Floor Vacuum Cleaner. Smart, powerful, methodical.